y'all. So the goal is to make everything look factory on the vehicle. You feel me? So these right here, bro, look, y'all. $10. I mean, they feel good, but these are 20. Now, I have used these, like while I work, the guy had bought some, like I was like, hey, we're gonna need some wire strippers to make everything a little, you know, smoother and faster. He got these work amazing. Now, if they do not have a deal on these, I may get them, I don't know. I just don't know how those work, you feel me? I got both. I mean, I'm gonna get them, but I'll be pissed if they don't work like how these work. These feel better, and I know these right here go crazy. Y'all see the tip is definitely different. I don't know if they're gonna make a difference, we'll see. But I got Loon, because like I said, the goal is to make the Z look factory. So, okay, that's what we walked out the store with. I ain't gonna hold y'all. When we get to the stores, y'all, well, we gonna call it shop. We ain't calling it store no more. But when we get to the shop, y'all, I'm gonna show you what I end up walking out with. But let me know how this video look in the comments, please, y'all. Like, as y'all seen when I was in the store, I recorded in a different setting, and like this one right here, y'all, this thing hitting. They ain't gonna hold you. I was talking about buying a GoPro. Man, stop. I might just buy another phone that's just like this one, because as y'all see, the quality is A1. Look how stable it is, and I'm driving. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna see how this go real quick. When I was into Naruto, I end up. Ooh. So as y'all see now, she is complete. I'm gonna have to move this out the way because I'm gonna be a workaholic today. You feel me? You know, give me a fresh thing over here and on this side. It's okay. But yes, y'all, from the last video, who is this? Bro, I hate bugs. Okay, so from the last video, if y'all watched and y'all, you know what I'm saying, mess with me, I was getting a, what y'all call that under there, bro? Dang, the knock sensor harness, yeah. And I ended up getting one. It was a good harness and whatnot. I think I have a video of it. If not, then I'm sorry. But between then, I'm gonna update y'all on what I've been doing. What's going on? Y'all see the kid back with another video. So look, we going up. We got 1,110 subscribers from the time of this video. So if y'all new, please subscribe and leave a like, and y'all got to comment and let me know y'all like the video. But on today's video, and for my new subscribers, check this. I'm building this. It's a 1983 Chevy Camaro. Y'all have to go look at my playlist. This car came a long way. I didn't have the front bumper. I ain't have no headlights. I ain't have no T-tops. I ain't have no door. I ain't have no carpet, no interior. I hope that light do something. Looks good. OMG. Oh. Yeah, I about tripped up 4 times. So this how she looking. Yeah, don't mind the seat for real. This got to come out because I finally got another one, the correct one for a manual with my Windows button in the middle, because that's the harness I got. Yeah, don't mind that. Got the steering wheel temporarily. Y'all see, for that, I got my thing over there. It's fully furnished. Y'all have to go watch how far this car came. For the people that been following me, I ran my wild harness, and I'm finna show y'all that. Just the update from the front. I got my intake cinched down. This goes to the starter. I'll be ordering, I don't know, next week or something. It's the rest of the harness for the motor. As y'all see, I got my sensors plugged up. Got everything plugged up. Got my wires running real neat. You feel me? This right here, I don't know what I'm gonna do with this yet. This is for the O2 sensor. The front looking good. I got to really get this right. Let me see. Yeah, I got to really get this right because I ain't bolted all the way down, but we'll be doing that today. Got my wires and stuff ran right here. Got the extra right here. You know what I mean? You know, AC, whatever the case may be. Ooh, y'all heard the bars. So, yeah, man, I got my spark plugs and everything. I might order some more, I don't know yet. But as y'all see, I got everything hooked up, map sensor. I'll be getting a throttle sometime next week. Oh yeah, got my temp sensor. We're gonna see how this goes, cause this is not the one that came with the Camaro. So we gonna, yeah, y'all see me just unplug it. So we gonna see what's going on. I'll plug him back up. But yeah, got the harness ran real good. I'll be hiding that. Got my fuel filter. I'll be bolting that up today because I actually came here to do, yeah, that, my gas tank. Okay, I kind of adjust the settings so it may look better, I don't know. But yeah, my gas tank, I got to put my fuel pump in, which I don't know where that is. Yeah, I just got parts, y'all. Man, we gonna get a lot done today. I've been already fixed this. I got to get some bulbs. I was gonna go this right here, but I'm finna go LED, so I'm not using that. Okay, you feel me, y'all? I kind of got a lot of work to do today, but overall, I'm just finding stuff. She is completely put down. I got this. I'm gonna run. Yeah, man. We gonna clean all of this up. I'm probably gonna wipe this down. About time I get on the road, I'm actually probably gonna respray this part. But running electric power steering, and I'm gonna do a video on that. This coming off. I don't know what this is. It coming off. Yeah. So I don't know if I'm gonna record me doing the work, but right now, oh, I got to show y'all what I got from Harbor Freight. Got this. See, this small one is really for this right here. So that look weird. So yeah, I'm gonna loom it. One wire. Yep, I'm gonna loom it. I might loom this too, but I know I got some extra wire too, because when I put that power add on, I know I'm gonna need some wire for that that E85 sensor. You feel me? Man, I'm finna go crazy. I ain't gonna what the world? Brake booster. Don't got nothing. I might do the 4th gen brake booster and the 4th gen master cylinder. I don't know how I'm gonna go about all of that yet, but so far so good. This running for the rear, that's running to the front. But yeah, dealing with wiring, this will be your best friend. Okay, didn't do really much for real. As y'all see this line, I'm snatching that actually back out. I'm getting ready to run, and I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna just run some AN line, bro. I'm not finna play with this. So that got pushed back because I'm finna snatch that out. All right. The worst thing I did not want to do, end up getting it done, was well, fuel tank is in. Now this extra line you see, I had to fab my sender, and I put the pump on the sender. You feel me? Because I ain't want to run that external pump, so that's what this for, the power in the ground. But that's actually done. All right. Oops. That's down there, but well, y'all, that's actually a little down. I'll just pry that back up. But yeah, Jesus, it's mad hot. I ain't really do much today. I read over the instructions for that, and yeah, the harmonic balancer is done though. Read over the instructions, and that's really it. And was looking up where can I mount this. Okay, where's my box? Okay. Yeah, so I was just looking up where can I mount this. And that's really it. This gonna be easy. And I was looking up the wire code for this. So I ain't decide where I'm gonna mount this yet. I'm either gonna shimmy it up, remove this, and kind of like mount it right behind that. I don't know yet, y'all. I have little room. But yeah. So until next time, if y'all like the video, leave a like, comment what y'all want to see. I didn't do much. This being mounted on. So yeah.